Hey everyone, I'm back with a new video, and this time I'm going to show you how to install Viper, Dolby and any other sound mod on your Android Pie and Android 10 phone. Let me get into the video. So I've attached a link in the description below. Go to it and download acdb.zip. This is a main file, so don't forget to download it. And you can go back to the drive and browse for other sound mods present in it. I'm going to download Viper and Dolby now. So once you've downloaded, let's get started with the installation process. You need root for this, so don't forget. Go to Magisk and select modules and browse for the modules you have downloaded. I'm going to select Dolby RC4 because that's the version I prefer over the other Dolbys. Do not reboot once you finish installing the module because we have other modules to install. Now I'm going to install Viper because I use both Dolby and Viper together. One more step. Let's install acdb.zip. Without this, both the audio modules won't work, so don't forget guys. Time to reboot. So once you reboot it, there will be Viper and Dolby present on your phone. Just in case, I'm going to install the material version of Viper that I have downloaded from the internet already. I have leave a link in the description below for all these files. So Viper is installed. And Dolby is also working. Most methods I found on the internet didn't seem to work properly. There were a few crashes with the apps and they didn't work with streaming apps properly. So let me open Spotify and show you that this is working properly with all streaming apps. I've started playing the music. So it's not processing yet. Once I've enabled it, it's working. Viper is enabled and processing is supported. Now let me go to Dolby to show that is also working in union with Viper. You might get a notification distortion problem when you install these sound mods. So I've attached a link in the description below for a fix. Download and flash it in Magisk. So that's all for now guys. Hope you liked the video. If you did, put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.